Hey friends, Adam Brewer of Sunrise Sweat. And today I have a wonderful practice I want to share with you called the Unity Prayer. This is the way that I end every one of my meditations. And it doesn't necessarily have to come at the end of a meditation. It can be done anytime. But when you do it, I invite you to close your eyes and allow yourself to just go within in whatever way you like to do that. So find, if you will, a comfortable seated position at the present time and allow your hands to be on your lap somewhere that feels comfortable to you. And we begin by calling into our own heart, ourselves. Say your name and envision you being brought into your own heart space. And in that heart space, you are surrounded by, infused by, and ultimately generating a light that is so bright. It's the light that lighteth up every man, woman, and child on the planet. And this light is a light that connects you with all beings, present, past, future, throughout all time. There's connection. And with that connection to everything that has been, everything that is, and everything that will be, there is an attendant energy. There is a race consciousness that comes with that. And through that, there will be turbulence in our own lives. That's the nature of group energy, something that we're not separate from, but a part of. But having said that, we also now choose to step into the upper room. And in this upper room, we hold hands with the divine, which is represented by light and sound, love and beauty, infinite intelligence, peace, power, and calmness, harmonizing prosperity, ease and grace, creative genius and flow. This is our essence. And we choose to move in this vibration with these eternal verities. And I want you now to see those same qualities in this upper room surrounding your loved ones, right where you are, in your home. And then extend that out to anyone and everyone in your town or neighborhood or city. And expand it beyond that to your states and then to your entire country. And that beauty and the light and the sound and the love and the peace and the power and the calmness and the infinite intelligence and the harmonizing prosperity is flowing out and surrounding the entire planet. All the bodies of water, all the continents, everything on planet Earth and everyone, all sentient beings. We're in this light. And as we envision the entire planet, we see war shifting to peace, hatred to love, darkness to light, confusion to clarity, sadness to joy, difficulty to ease, friction to flow, separation to connection, isolation to community, hopelessness to hope. And this flows out now beyond our planet to everything within our solar system, to all solar systems, to our galaxy, all galaxies, to the universe, to all the universes, to the cosmos with a C, to the cosmo with the K. Everything is in this light. There's no separation. There's only one power, one presence. And that power and that presence is your essence, as it is the essence of all that there is. And then bring your hands together in a prayer in front of your heart. And then bring your hands, thumbs to the forehead, right into that third eye. May all beings be peaceful. Bring the fingertips to the mouth. May all beings be happy. Hands in front of the heart. May all beings be free. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I'll see you again soon.